Major James Naismith was a combat pilot who flew missions over North Vietnam during the Vietnam War. Now, in his free time, James loved to play golf. James Naismith was an average golfer. He generally shot in the mid to low 90s, but dreamt of improving. Now, during his wartime duty, he was shot down over North Vietnam and was a prisoner of war for 7 years, where he spent 7 years imprisoned in a cage that was 4.5 feet long and 5 feet tall. Now, during his 7 years of imprisonment, he saw no one, talked to no one, and had no physical activity. For the first few months, all he did was hope and pray for his release. He soon realized that he had to find some way to occupy his thoughts, or he would go mad. Now, Naismith devised a mental program in which he'd play his favorite golf course every day in his mind. He would visualize the experience to the highest level of details possible. He thought about the smell of the freshly cut grass and feel the warm sun and the gentle breeze on his skin. He'd see every tree, hear every bird singing and squirrels chattering, and envision every slope of the course. Now he would then grasp the club, feeling its rough grip on his fingers. He'd imagine his stance and have the club's weight in his hands as he started his backswing. Now he visualized taking his practice swing, addressing the ball and hitting his shot. He'd watch the ball's arc as it flew beautifully, coming to a soft landing in the center of the fairway. Now in the real world, he was never in a rush. Golf was his escape, and he would take his time and enjoy every moment. He did the same in that small cage in Vietnam. He thought through every single step and would even stop to get water just as if he was actually playing a real round. Now his imagined golf game took just as long as it was physically on the course. He hit each shot and played every hole to its conclusion until the ball dropped to the bottom of the cup. He did this every single day for 7 years. Here's where the story takes an amazing turn. Now Major Naismith was finally released and came back home to America. Physically speaking, his condition had deteriorated as much as you would expect after living in a tiny cage for so long. Even so, soon after his return, he decided to go and play golf at now his favorite course. Amazingly, he shot a 74. He hadn't swung a real club for 7 long years and had undergone indescribable physical deprivation, and yet he just made it 20 shots off his normal average. Friends, James Naismith is a classic example of the power we have to visualize and then achieve incredible things. Elite athletes use it, the super rich use it, and peak performers in all fields now use it, and that power is called as visualization. Now, visualization technique have been used by successful people to visualize their desired outcomes for ages, and this practice has been given some high achievers what seems like superpowers, helping them create their dream lives by accomplishing one goal or task at a time with hyper focus and complete confidence. The daily practice of visualizing your dreams as already complete can rapidly accelerate your achievement of those dreams, goals, and ambitions. Like someone rightly said, what you think you create, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you become. Successful people use the power of visualization, and their motto is visualize and materialize from imagination to reality. Now, arithmetically stated, visualization is expressed as I plus V is equal to R. That means imagination plus vividness equals to reality. Now, the starting point to all great discoveries is imagination. We say that the greatest nation on earth is imagination. Imagination mixed with vividness equals reality. Imagination involves the thoughts we have about an event. When you imagine a thing in your most powerful engine room, that is your mind, and believe it is possible for it to become a reality. Vividness demands a mental picture with emotion. That is the ability to see things clearly in your mind using your senses. Imagine what it looks like in full color. Imagine what it sounds like. Imagine what it feels like to touch. Imagine what it tastes like, what it smells like. Now imagine and allow yourself to feel the emotion of your vision. Reality is really about perception. The thoughts, feelings and emotions that go through our minds are what ultimately determines the content and quality of our lives. Modern brain imaging has shown that imaging an event or circumstances triggers the same brain chemistry and functioning as actually experiencing it in real life. This means that we can train our brains and develop marvelous talents, and therefore we can get the results purely through the process of visualization. In fact, we all have this awesome power, but most of us have never been taught to use it effectively. A few years back, I read 2 books titled Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz and The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, both of which conceptualize visualization as a way of getting what you want in your life. Now, since its first publication in 1960 and 1963 respectively, both these books have been bestsellers for decades, and this has enhanced and enriched the lives of millions of readers world over in the last 60 years. Now, to a large extent, the reading of these 2 titles has helped me incorporate visualization to achieve many goals which otherwise would have looked very, very difficult for me. Now, both these books emphasize on the fact that our thoughts and actions are based on what you imagine as truth, and your nervous system reacts appropriately to what you think or imagine to be true. You often react automatically to your environment, and this reaction is based on what your nervous system tells you, regardless of whether this information is true or not true. Now, numerous studies have shown that a mental practice improves the actual performance. Therefore, seeing yourself differently will lead to acting differently and improving yourself. Now, some key visualization techniques that both the books and other books also on visualization emphasize were dream boards, index cards, affirmations, or rather what you call as auto-suggestions, relaxation and meditation. Let's start with the first one, the dream board. A vision board or a dream board is a visualization tool which refers to a board of any sort used to build a collage of words and pictures that represent your goals and dreams. Now, the inspirational collage serves as your image of the future. Now, by representing your goals with pictures and images, you will actually strengthen and stimulate your emotions because your mind responds strongly to visual stimulation. The saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words, certainly holds true in this case. The second one is affirmations. An affirmation is a repeated and a spoken statement. It is a simple statement that reshapes your beliefs and helps you move towards your life goals. Obviously, for this to work in your favor, they need to be positive affirmations, not negative ones. Repeating an affirmation several times a day keeps you focused on your goal, strengthens your motivation, and programs your subconscious to do whatever it takes to make that goal happen. Third, index card. It involves writing down your goals on a pack of blank cards. Now, most people use 3 by 5 inch index cards, although you could practically use any card format of your choice. You will either go through the cards in the morning or evening, or even both in the morning and evening. Now, as you read the goal on each card, you should pause and visualize the entire goal. Make it as vivid as possible. Hear the sounds, smell everything, feel the entire emotion. Remember anyway that focus is very important. The more goals or cards that you have, the less effective your manifestation will be. For best results then, stick to just one goal until you achieve it, then you can focus on the second goal. Now, regardless of the technique used, the key is repetition, repetition and repetition. Eventually, new behaviors become new habits and unhelpful behaviors are removed or extinguished. Successful people all over the world use visualization to convert their dreams into reality. Visualization is just concentrated or rather intentional dreaming. The more you visualize yourself living the life you want, the sooner universal energies will align with you to give you what you want. Friends, remember, it's important to note that visualization alone isn't enough. However, it is an integral part of the process of you becoming the best version of yourself.